Hello guys, welcome to our channel Top Best India. Today we are going to look at the top highest paid richest Bollywood actors in India, from where they are earning this huge amount and see exactly what they are doing with all their money. Number 10 is Aishwarya Rai. Aishwarya Rai was Miss World in 1994, who rules not only Bollywood but also the world for more than 2 decades with her breathtaking beauty and versatile acting. Aishwarya Rai's net worth is $35 million, that is 220 crores. Rai was also named the official brand ambassador for De Beers Diamonds in India and has a brand endorsement value of about 5 to 6 crores a day. According to Times Now report, Aishwarya is a proud owner of a ring that cost 70 lakhs rupees, Mercedes-Benz S500, Bentley CGT, a villa in Sanctuary Falls, Dubai, and an apartment in Bandra. Aishwarya got married to actor, producer, and television presenter Abhishek Bachchan in 2007. Bachchan comes from a large Indian family, of whom many members have been a part of the Indian film industry. Number 9. Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor got his first breakthrough in Hindi movie Saawariya in the year 2007. His net worth is $38 million, that is 322 crores. Mr. Kapoor has won various Filmfare Awards for his films as the best actor. His performance in Sanju proved that he is in Bollywood for the long run. Number 8. Anushka Sharma. The beauty with brain got married to famous cricketer Virat Kohli, and the two make one of the most powerful celebrity couples. Anushka Sharma's net worth is $40 million, that is 350 crores. She is a brand ambassador for Brew Coffee, TVS Scooty, Nivea, Pantene, and LA18 Cosmetics. Number 7. Saif Ali Khan. Some actors are born with a silver spoon, and one such actor is Mr. Saif Ali Khan, also known as the Nawab of Pataudi. His total net worth is $160 million, that is 1,120 crores. The major part of his earnings comes from brand endorsements, movies, and also personal investments. He got many awards like National Film Awards, 6 Filmfares, and Padma Shri Award for his films. Saif Ali Khan net worth's major part comes from his ancestral estate. The property estimated value inherited from his father by Saif Ali Khan is close to a whopping $135 million. He charges 6 to 10 crores for each movie and 3 to 4 crore for each ad campaign. A major part of Saif Ali Khan income is also the list of endorsements. He is a brand ambassador for well-known companies such as Lay's, Asian Paints, Ponds, and Amul. He owns 10 beautifully designed apartments all over the world in posh locations. Khan likes to indulge in luxurious accessories as a prince. Saif's youngest daughter Sara Ali Khan is now one of the top actresses in Bollywood. Saif is also the 10th Nawab of the former princely state of Pataudi. Number 6. Amir Khan. Amir Khan, known as a Mr. Perfectionist by his fans, is a Bollywood actor. Amir Khan has net worth of $205 million, that is 1,434 crore rupees. He has made hefty dollars from his acting career, production company, high-profile collaborations, and brand endorsements. He rose to fame and popularity as a male lead in the 1988 film Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. Amir Khan was paid rupees 3 crores per episode to host the show Satyamev Jayate. He has broad international fan followers track record, especially in China. Apart from being as one of the highest paid actors in Bollywood, Amir Khan is in this top 10 richest actors list is because of his big charges of endorsements, which include Coca-Cola, Godrej, Titan Watches, Tata Sky, Toyota Innova, Snapdeal, Vivo, and Monaco Biscuits. Number 5. Akshay. Mr. Akshay Kumar, who is also known as Khiladi Kumar or Khiladi by his fans. His total net worth is $270 million, that is 1,870 crores. He has huge respect towards the Indian Army and often donates a huge amount of money for the family of Indian soldiers. Undoubtedly, Akshay Kumar is among the league of the richest Bollywood actors, making him charge fees up to 40 crore rupees per film. He has also supported renowned products such as Honda Motorcycles, LG Electronics, Manappuram Gold Loan, Thumbs Up, Pepsi, Micromax Mobile, Red Label Tea, and Relaxo Footwear. In addition to a bungalow at Anjuna Beach in Goa, he also owns a luxurious apartment in Worli in Mumbai. Number 4. Salman Khan. Salman Khan is one of the top 5 most paid actors in India. Salman Khan has net worth of $360 million, that is 2,304 crores. His first movie was BV Ho Tu Aisi, which had earned 22 crores in the year 1988. Salman Khan is not just an actor but also a successful producer and a famous TV personality. Khan won many prizes and 2 National Film Awards as a film producer, and 2 film prize winners for playing during an overwhelming film career spanning over 30 years. Salman Khan spends a significant part of his net worth in children's education and educational institutions. He buys very expensive luxury cars from his net worth. Salman Khan's house name is Galaxy. He is also fond of very expensive bikes and cars. Salman Khan earns crores of rupees from his show Bigg Boss. Number 3. Hrithik Roshan. When it comes to dancing or continental acting, the one name that pops first in our minds is none other than super dancer and super talented Hrithik Roshan. His net worth is $371 million, that is 2,618 crores. Hrithik Roshan is considered to be Greek god of Bollywood due to his good looks and perfect body. Even though he is born into a wealthy and well-known family, for his hard work and skills, we all know him. His first film as a debutant in Bollywood, which was also a great box office hit, was Kaho Na Pyar Hai. He also played the role of Krish in the movie Krish, who is the first successful modern-day superhero of Indian cinema. Throughout his entire career, he endorsed many brands such as Coca-Cola, Mountain Dew, Donier, Nirma, Oppo Mobiles, Tata Tiger, Macroman, and so on. To give you a glimpse, he owns the many luxurious watches like Rolex, Daydreamer, and the costliest Rolls-Royce than anyone in Bollywood. Number 2. Amitabh. Amitabh Bachchan, fondly called Big B. He rose to fame with his appearance in the movie Janjeer. Mr. Bachchan has a net worth of $400 million, that is 3,066 crores. His net worth is also a reflection of his contribution to Kaun Banega Crorepati. Big B has been hosting the show for years now. The 77-year-old is actively a part of many films, projects and shows even today. In a career spanning of more than 50 years, the Shahenshah of Bollywood has given the industry more than 200 films. He began to act in the 1970s, in which he suddenly accomplished huge popularity. Bachchan became a household name nearly in every part across the country, and he wasn't a typecast given that the angry protagonist roles he played in his earlier years. He can effectively portray a range of personalities across the genres. In 2019, he received the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the Best Actor. Number 1. Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is Bollywood's top first richest actor. His net worth is $680 million. That is 5,270 crore rupees. Shah Rukh Khan is called the King Khan of Bollywood. He has worked in more than 100 Bollywood movies. He is known for his luxury lifestyle. Shah Rukh Khan's Villa Mannat is one of the top 10 luxury villas in the world. Its price is about 250 crores. Shah Rukh made his Bollywood debut in 1992 with the movie Deewana. King Khan's first income was only 50 rupees, which he got from working in a TV serial named Fauji. Shah Rukh Khan has a collection of the most expensive cars in the world. These include big brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Bugatti, BMW, etc. He is the co-owner of the Indian Premier League cricket team, Kolkata Knight Riders, and also Tribango Knight Riders, the Caribbean Premier League team. Khan has supported major brands like Pepsi, Nokia, Hyundai, Dish TV, Decca, Lux, Tag Heuer, and other big brands. Because of his various support and entrepreneurship initiatives, the media typically coin him as Brand SRK. Shah Rukh Khan charges about 3.5 to 4 crores a day for acting or appearing in commercials. Thank you so much for watching this video, Top Richest Bollywood Actors in India. Let us know who your favorite actor is in the comments down below. Check out our other videos from Top Best India. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yes, ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.